This instructional video covers the recommended daily cleaning procedures for your SerVue Touchless Refrigerated Slide-In. Before you begin cleaning, be sure to press the Clean button on the home screen to stop dispensing. After that button is pressed, a message that says Clean Mode Active will appear on the screen. Remove canister assemblies by lifting up on the funnel and tilting the canister back. Flip the canister upside down with the lid still on. Then, pull the funnel off of the canister and remove the ingredients. Remove the wheel shaft and the wheel from the funnel. Next, remove the funnel adapters from the unit. Clean up any spills, then wipe the trays, counter, cabinet, and doors with a clean, damp cloth. Wash all parts, being sure to follow all local and state requirements. Local and state health codes dictate the required cleaning and sanitizing procedure. Consult your health codes for the requirements in your area. Allow all parts to dry completely, then reassemble. Be sure to follow all industry guidelines for cleaning, serving, and labeling food items in regards to allergies and cross-contamination. Once you are done cleaning, press Close on the Clean Mode pop-up to resume operation. During operation, be sure to clean up any spills or debris as needed to ensure a clean serving area. To learn more about your SerVue Touchless Refrigerated Slide-In, visit us online at volrathfoodservice.com.